Galileo Galilei!
Welcome to the Macke Makerspace.
Hi, I'm Brother Bob Macke. I am the curator of meteorites at the Vatican Observatory. And I have something a little different for you all today. So my boss, Brother Guy Consomagno, recently received this from a friend of his. It's a Lego diorama, a tribute to Galileo Galilei. And he took his eyes off it for like 5 minutes, so now it's my turn to play with it. Instead of doing a normal assembly video, I figured I would try my hand at stop motion animation. Now, I've never done this before, so it could be great, or it could be a complete train wreck. We'll find out. Now, you may be thinking that it's kind of ironic that a religious brother at the Vatican Observatory is doing a project related to Galileo, but it's not as weird as you might think. So the whole Galileo affair is a complicated mess, and I'm not really going to get into it here because if I did, this video would be like 3 hours long. But anyway, suffice it to say that it was as much about politics and personality conflicts as it was about anything else, really. And it's also kind of a unique case. So, why is it that people always bring up Galileo? Because in like 2,000 years, it's about the only case they can bring up. And it was 400 years ago. And even though his is a case of wrongful condemnation by the church, it was not unilateral, nor was it systemic. Many of his defenders were in fact clergymen. And his teachers and his students also included clergy. And he himself remained a faithful Catholic for his entire life. My own academic lineage of thesis advisors and the historical equivalent can trace itself back to Galileo. And I'm personally, therefore, part of Galileo's intellectual legacy. And this is a fact that I'm quite proud of. So anyway, we'd better get started with this build. This little tribute to Galileo is not going to build itself. Actually, I think it will. that was fun. It was certainly a learning experience. I think I'll try it again sometime with a bit more care and preparation. So I hope you liked this video. If so, please like and subscribe and share it with a friend or an enemy. I'm not that particular. This video isn't sponsored by the Vatican Observatory, but I did make use of their resources for video editing. The purpose of the Vatican Observatory is to be a sign to the world of the compatibility of faith and science and of the Church's support of science, and it could use your support. If you would like to support the work of the Vatican Observatory, or even just to learn a little bit more about it, there is a link in the description. Please check it out. So that's all for now. Please check out one of these other videos. And until next time, peace.